What's going on, Joes and Janes? My name's Dustin, this is misADVenture, and today I want to show you how to do this. Hello and welcome. This is my DRZ 400. Started life originally, as you can see, as an SM. She's a little dirty right now. I just got off a ride yesterday. Poured down rain on me, but it was all good. Got the Hide Now K60 on the rear. And what we're doing today is we're going to try and make a rear rack for this bad boy. See that? It's coming together pretty good already. Took a piece of cardboard, made it 9 inches by 15 inches, and fits pretty good right there. I'm gonna have it a little wider, maybe some little grab bars right here, and some hookup points for any kind of luggage. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use those 2 holes right there. Those are factory holes that were already there, so we're gonna use those. And then I drill another hole right here for the tag bracket, and the tag bracket comes all the way up and right there. So hopefully those 3 little holes, maybe some little rubber grommets, and it will look sort of like this. I'll get it cut out, make it the same on the right side as it is the left side, and hopefully we can help you guys save some money today. Get those started there, and then come and get my little screw just to kind of hold it on there and see what we got. Boom. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good. As soon as this side matches this side, I think we'll be good to go. Everything traced out on the cardboard. I'm only gonna do one side, and hopefully once we get this side traced, we can flip this whole piece over and do the same exact thing to the other side. Got a 1/4 inch piece of aluminum. All right, guys and gals, quick update. Taking the 1/2 inch drill bit to start the 1/2 inch hole in order to fit the jigsaw down in there, just like that. And perfect, so that way I can cut out this hole right here. So through lots of trial and error, I have learned the way to do these cutouts is a router. Take it a little bit at a time, do a lot of preparation work, get all of your straight lines down, spray it down with WD-40. This has worked great. Like, look at that, guys. I mean, that's some pretty edges. I highly recommend go to Home Depot or something like that. This router right here costed me $75. Get the router, make your straight lines, cut it with the router, a little bit at a time. Maybe, I don't know, a 1/16 of an inch. Make a pass, 1/16 of an inch, make a pass. And some of this stuff you're gonna have to freehand, but most of it is just simple with this thing, as long as you get your fencing set up right. We're gonna go ahead and clamp our cardboard down, and then we're gonna draw out these holes and then transfer all of that to the other side. All right, so we've got everything cut out using the router, using the regular bit. Now we're gonna try to put a little edge on it just because I think it'll look cool. We'll see how it works. Got it spaced out with some cardboard, so hopefully it'll catch exactly where it needs to. There you have it, ladies and gents. Plate's all done, ready for paint. I'll scuff it up a little bit. Here's what I did with the router. I think those edges look really nice. That's a 45-degree router bit. And yeah, the router really made this whole project just pop perfectly.